I let AI build a business from scratch. It worked. Artificial intelligence has rapidly advanced, offering tools that go beyond routine automation to tackle complex tasks. Intrigued by its potential, I initiated an experiment to see if AI could independently establish a business, managing everything from research to execution. The idea was to test AI's ability to navigate real-world business challenges, leveraging its capacity for data-driven decision-making. With minimal human input, I allowed AI to guide critical processes, aiming to uncover whether it could turn a concept into a functional enterprise. Through this approach, I observed how AI tackled industry-specific demands and adjusted to dynamic environments. 1. Choosing the right AI tools. Finding the most effective AI tools meant focusing on their ability to handle large datasets, make precise decisions, and work seamlessly within a larger system. After evaluating various options, I opted for a tailored set of technologies designed to perform specific tasks essential for building the business. Machine learning algorithms helped with analyzing trends, while natural language processing tools managed customer interactions. Automation software streamlined operations, ensuring tasks were executed efficiently without manual oversight. Each tool was carefully chosen based on its ability to address distinct business needs, enhancing productivity and precision at every step. The selection process required evaluating features, compatibility, and scalability to ensure the tools could adapt as the business grew. 2. Building the business framework. AI facilitated the creation of a strong business foundation by evaluating vast amounts of data to uncover actionable insights. It identified market gaps and consumer preferences, allowing for the development of targeted strategies that aligned with current and emerging demands. By processing information at a speed and scale beyond human capability, AI provided a clear roadmap for structuring operations, ensuring processes were optimized for scalability. Additionally, the tools analyzed competitors and industry trends to pinpoint opportunities, helping to position the business competitively. With these insights, AI contributed to defining workflows, assigning priorities, and setting benchmarks for performance. 3. Implementation and execution. During the launch phase, AI managed key operational tasks such as automating logistics and personalizing marketing campaigns to reach specific audience groups. Addressing initial concerns from team members required clear communication about the tool's capabilities and benefits. Integrating AI into existing systems posed technical challenges, necessitating adjustments to ensure compatibility and seamless workflows. Collaboration among team members played a critical role in resolving these issues, enabling smooth transitions and effective deployment of AI-driven processes. The tools demonstrated adaptability by refining operations in response to real-time data, showcasing their ability to meet evolving demands. 4. Monitoring and adjusting. Tracking the business's progress involved using AI tools to analyze ongoing operations and customer interactions. This allowed for quick detection of inefficiencies and emerging trends, enabling proactive adjustments. AI's capacity for processing real-time data ensured that updates to processes, marketing strategies, and product offerings could be made swiftly based on actionable insights. By identifying patterns and anomalies, the tools helped refine workflows and improve resource allocation. Regular evaluation of these insights ensured the business stayed aligned with market demands while maintaining operational efficiency. 5. Success and learnings. The project demonstrated that AI excels at analyzing data and creating strategies, leading to strong results in a short time frame. However, it also highlighted the need for human judgment in interpreting complex scenarios and making nuanced decisions. Collaborating with AI allowed for more efficient processes and innovative approaches, revealing how technology can complement human expertise. The experience underscored the importance of balancing automation with personal oversight to adapt to unpredictable challenges. By integrating AI strategically, we not only achieved measurable success, but also unlocked new opportunities for innovation and growth in the evolving business landscape.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel or more videos like this. Thanks for watching.